Okay, so guys, in the previous class, what were we doing? Subnetting. Okay, so I suppose that I gave you some questions, right? I mean, are you guys able to do the question? Everyone did it. Anyone having concern with that questions, guys? I will discuss it. No worries, we'll discuss. Anyone was not able to do it? No. We'll discuss. No worries. Okay, so you're done. One question you're done in the class, right? Got any doubts in that question? No. Now we'll discuss the homework questions as well. So can you just let me know the homework question? 200 dot 180 dot 186 dot 154. Yes. 30 machines per subnet. Okay, so now let me just tell you. So here it's a class C address, right? It's a class C. Yes, I can see a new face. Okay, I suppose you have like watched the videos and all, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now, so here 200 dot 180 dot 186 dot 0 is the network address. You know it, right? Now when you expand it, say you will get something like this: 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so now till here you have the network portion, and now let me write it down: 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128. Right, so now let me just tell you where we are going to draw the line. So in the previous question, or in the first question, yes. Okay, so in the previous question, I suppose, say we did 60 machines per subnet or something, then we have drawn the line between 64 and 32. Right, now our intention is to subnet for 30 machines, so we'll draw the line between 32 and 16. Okay, and now let me tell you, you might have say, did you notice the table yesterday, guys? I mean, I've made you write the table in the first question, and did you watch the table and see any patterns? Noticed any patterns? Yes or no?
Yes.
You can say notice the patterns. If you say in the first question, if you notice a pattern there, you might have seen we have been adding the value of 64 to all the subnets. Yes or no? Whereas, say guys, I suppose everyone has noticed it. I need answers, guys. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so same here. Here when you check it, when you check the answers or the table, you will find, say every time when you add 32, you're gonna get, or it's gonna repeat. Okay, so let me just tell you with the old method itself, then I'll come to this method. Okay, so now how many bits you got for the subnet? 3 bits for the subnet. If you got 3 bits for the subnet, let me just ask you, say how many subnets you will have? 2 power 3, 8 subnets you will have. Everyone getting it? So I need proper response, guys, especially in this case, subnetting. Okay, so because we have just started and we have, say the things will get complicated when you move on again, this subnetting. Okay, so now, so this you got 8 subnets here, and when we write down these values, say the combination, you can write it down like this: 0 0 0, then 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 and 1. Okay, so now let me again tell you here, say when you write it down, the first address is gonna be 200 dot 180 dot 186 dot 0 itself. Okay, so everything, all the host bits will become 0, and then everything here, it would be 0. Okay, now when you write down the broadcast, or if you want to find out the broadcast, say what will you do? You will make all the host bits as 1 here, and then the value will be 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 will give you the value of dot 31. Getting it there? Okay, so now again, if you want to find out the, say, subnet address for the next one, you will make all the host bits 0, and the only one you have it here, and that value of 1 is 32. So the address here will be, say the next address will be 200 dot 180 dot 186 dot 32. Okay, now again, when you check the block size, sorry, when you, or if you want to find out this one, I mean the broadcast address, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make all the bits as 1 here. So when you make all the bits as 1, you already got a 32. Along with that, you will add 16, 8, 4, 2, and 1, and then what the values? Which value you will get? 63. Yes or no? Everyone. Even if you got any person, even you got any person, any single person has got it out, please ask. There. Here.
Yes.
Okay.
So it
Yeah.
is 30 machines, right?
30 machines, of course.
So I think it is between 60 and 32, right?
Between 32 and 63, yes, of course. Say the number of the assignable IP address will be like this. For the first one, it will be say .1 to .30. Exactly 30 machines you will have here. Okay. Now here also 32 to .62.
33 to 62.
Yeah, sorry, 33 to 62. So here the next value is 33. So here it's 33 to .62. Exactly 30 machines. So here when you say decrease it, 62 minus 33, it will give you 29. Then plus 1 you need to add, because you need to include this 33 as well. Okay, so when you include this 33, you will get 30 machines, exactly 30 machines. Getting it? Okay. Now when you do it, say you will get the answer like this. For the next one, you will get 200.180.186.64, and this broadcast, sorry, the broadcast will be 95. Okay, so now the next will be 200.180.186.96, then 127, then 200.180.186.128, then 159, then 200.180.186.160, then dot, yes, 191, then 200.180.186.192.223, and here the next one is .224 to .255. Clear? So this is the case. This is how you will say find the answer. Anyone who didn't get the answer, or how many of you got this answer, guys? Only one. What happened? The rest?
Try. Now I understand.
Sorry?
I understood now.
Paka?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, let me give you next question. So here, when you check it, say, when you check each subnet here, and again, guys, I asked you, or I told you, if you have any doubts, you should have pinged me, right? Say yesterday only I lost the phone, but before that I had the phone in my hand. Okay, so you are free to ask me any doubts in in middle of the night, no problem. So now, so here you can see the difference is, say when you take the difference here, it will be 32 here. Okay, so the difference between the consecutive or say the nearby the subnets, it will be say 32 here. So, or let me just tell you here, you have drawn the line here. After the 3 bits, you have drawn the line. So to the left side of the line, what you have is 32. And this value, which you keep on adding here, is called block size. That's called block size. So let me just tell you, maybe a shortcut method. You can use it as a shortcut method even. So to find out each network, you can just keep on adding the block size. To find out the block size, let me tell you, you will take the value which is just greater than this requirement. I mean, you will take the 2 raised to value. So the 2 raised to value goes like this: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, like that. Now, so the 2 raised to value which is just greater than 30, it is 32. So you will keep on adding 32. Clear? Okay. Now, shall we move to the next question? Again, yes or no? Okay. Now, next one. Say, what is the question there?
208.209.
208.209.
209.
210.211.
211.
10
10 machines per second.
machines per subnet. Okay. Now, let me tell you this one. What is the network address?
208.209.
I need answers from everyone. 210.0. Now, So here, up to here, it is the network portion, you know. By default, it's class C, and by here, till here, it is the network portion. Now, what you're going to do is, you're going to expand the host portions now. So here, again, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So now, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. And now, the requirement is 10 machine, and we are going to draw the line between 16 and 8. So now when you draw the line between 16 and 8, say 4 bits will be assigned for the subnet. So how many subnets you have? Total how many subnets you will have? 16 subnets. If you have 4, say here you got 4 bits. If you got 4 bits, 2 raised to 4 subnets will be there, and that'll give you 16 subnets. Okay, so or you can go with this one, the block size. Okay, now keep on adding the block size. So now the first address will be like this, 208.209. So trust me guys, the first address will be the network address itself. Okay, so 208.209.210.0 will be the network address, and this will be the first broadcast address. Now just keep on adding 16 and you will get the table. So that means, say here 208.209.210.16, then 208.209.210.32. Now the next one, say 208.209.210.48, I suppose. Okay, now the next is 210 here. So 210.64, then 210.80, then 210.96, then I suppose it is 112, now 128, then what is it, 144,
160,
yes,
176,
160, 176, like that it keeps on going. Okay, so now the respective broadcast address, what will be the broadcast address here? It will be dot 15. Say guys, getting it, everyone? Okay, so if you note yes, then I should see the answers in your notebook when I give you the questions. Okay, so now here dot 31, here dot 47, here dot 63, yes. Now dot 79, here dot 95, here dot 111, dot 127, like that it goes. Okay, and of course, and suppose that you know how to write the assembly, which will be in between the network and the broadcast address. So the first will be dot 1 to dot 14, now dot 17 to dot 30, dot 33 to dot 46, now dot 49 to dot 62, now dot 65 to dot 78, like that it keeps on going. Can somebody just open it? Ah, yeah, I thought it was locked. Yes. Okay, so this is how you will do it. Clear guys? Okay, now if I give you a question, are you able to do it?
Yes.
Okay.
Bharat, before the question, I have one doubt in the same question.
Yes, please.
So I understand the way we are looking at the block size and we are calculating the next
Okay.
network address and next subnets. But when we look at the way that you did last time with by expanding the bits, for example, so first to calculate the first network address for the first subnet, it will be 208.209.210. Now we expand the bit. So first will be 0000 and the next will be 0001, correct?
Yes.
Third will be 0010.
0010, yes.
Fourth will be 0100.
00, no, let me just tell you, let me
Yeah.
just write it down. Okay, so if you want to write the combination, okay,
Yeah.
so did I tell you how to write the combination, guys? Yes, right, in the very first class I asked you to write the combination of the 4 bits, right? Okay, I suppose when I taught you the MAC address, right, I might have told you to write this one. So here you can keep on adding the value, you can keep on adding, say here, let me just delete this one. So here you can write the combination like this: 0000, 0001, 0010, 0011, then 0100. It goes like that. Okay, so either you can add 1 here. So 0000 plus 1 will give you 0001. Okay, then again plus 1 will give you 0010. Again plus 1 will give you 0011. Again plus 1 will give you 0100. Like that it goes. Or let me just tell you a shortcut this time. So here, see, some of you might know the shortcut, but still. Okay, so here, yes, let me delete this one. Okay, now the value keeps on going like this. Again, let me write some more values: 0 0 or 0 1 0 1, 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1, then say 1 0 0 like that. Now, so if I write the value like this here, 1 2 4 and 8. Okay, so here say 1 here represents the value is 1, but you can do one thing here. Say for each value it keeps on changing, 0 1 0 1 0 1, like that it will keep on changing. Okay, then here when you write the value 2, say you will have consecutively, you have 2 zeros, then 2 ones, then 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 0 2 1, like that. Now if you have the value of 4 here, then 4 zeros, 4 ones, 4 zeros, 4 ones, like that you can write. Okay, so and again, where I think I lost it somewhere. Yes. So the next value here, 8. 8 means 8 zeros and then 8 ones. Okay, you can go with that method also. Whichever method you want, you can go with. So if you want to write the combination, you can write like this: 1 2 4 and 8. Sorry. So now when I write here 0, so the first value will be 0 itself. Now 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, like that it keeps on going. Now here 0 0, now 1 1 0 0 1 1, like that it will keep on going. Now 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1, like that it keeps on going. Now here 8 zeros: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And now the next one here, again 1 2, like that it keeps on going. Okay, so the first value here is 0 0 0 0, and next is 0 0 0 1, then 0 0 1 0, 0 0 1 1, 0 1 0 0. So like that it keeps on going. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, so this is how you will write the combination. Okay, any other doubts? No? Okay, now in that case, let me just tell you. Okay, now 208.1.2.150. Okay, now let me just give you a question here. 5 machines per subnet. 5 machines per subnet. So now I want you guys to find out the block size here, or where will you draw the line. Okay, so where will you draw the line? I want you to find out that one, and I want you to find out how many subnets you have here till that. Can you? Yes, please carry on, guys, make it faster. I don't want you to do everything. I just want you to find out the number of subnets. Okay, the block size and the number of subnets here. Hmm?
Subnet.
128. Nope.
Block size 8.
Yes, the block size is 8. Very good. Everyone got it? You didn't get it? Please find it out. No worries. If you are late also, no issues, because you are studying on.
Uh, 32 subnets.
Yes, the answer is 32 subnets. So guys, I don't want you to write the subnets here. I just asked you to find how many subnets. Okay. So now let me tell you guys. So did you find the block size?
Yes.
Everyone. Okay. So how did you find the block size? You can go with two methods. Either you can write it down like this: 208 dot, what is the network address here, guys? 208 dot 1 dot 2 dot 0. Okay. So now if I expand the host bits, you know, up to here, so it's /24, I say forgot to write /24. So 24 bits means, say /24 means 24 bits are reserved for network. So that means up to here it is network. Then when I expand the host, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So here 1, 2, 4, 8. So our requirement will come when I draw the line here. Okay, so now to the left side of the line, the block size is 8. Okay, now how many bits you have here for the subnet? 5 bits. So that means 2 raised to 5. That means 32 subnets. Everyone got it? Now, I don't want you to write all the 32 because that will be very lengthy. Right? Say some subnets will have 64, some subnets will have say 256, some subnets will have 512, some subnets will have say 65,536, like that. So I don't want you to write all the subnets here. Okay, now that you know the block size, so what will be the first subnet? Dot 0. I told you the first subnet is the network address itself. Okay, so 208.1.2.0 itself will be the first subnet. Okay, now dot 8. So keep on adding 8. Now the next is dot 16, then dot 24, then dot 32. Like that, it will keep on going. Okay, now what will be the final one? What will be the last one? Here, to find out the last one, I'll tell you a method here. Okay, so which is applicable not in all the cases but in majority of the cases. Okay, so now let me just tell you, to find out the last one, you're going to decrease, say 256 minus 8. You're going to do 256 minus 8, or yes. So here, what will be the number you then get here? 248. So the last address here will be dot 248. Now the previous one, what will be the previous one here? The second last one, 240. Just decrease the block size. Okay, so now here what will be the value? The third last one, 232, right? So again, the fourth last one, 224. So now from now onwards, I want you to find out the first 3 subnets and the last 3 subnets. The in between, you got many subnets. We are just ignoring it. Clear? Okay, so now you can note it down. Say the first 3 subnets will be like this, and the broadcast address also you can write it down. Okay. Done, guys. So what will be the broadcast for the first one?
208.
Yeah, you can just tell the last one. For now, you can just tell the last one.
7.
Dot 7. Broadcast will be dot 7. Okay. And for second,
15.
dot 15 will be the broadcast. Now for the third,
23.
dot 23 will be the broadcast. For fourth,
31.
31. So now for the last, what will be the broadcast?
255.
Dot 255. Very good. For second last,
247.
247. For third last,
239.
239. Sorry. And say fourth last,
231.
231. Clear? Okay. Now let me just tell you one more thing. Okay, so you had /24, so you are given with a big network 208.1.2.50/24. Okay, now the first subnet, let me tell you, the first subnet was something like this, 208.1.2.0. okay, and how many bits you have expanded, guys, or how many bits you have added to a network portion?
5.
5 more bits you have added to a network portion. So I can write the network like this, 208.1.2.0 slash say 24 plus 5, that will give you /29. Everyone getting? So I've just wrote down the prefix length or the CIDR value. That's it. Nothing else I've done. So you have been writing like this, 201.1.2.0, 201.1.2.8, 201.1.2.16. Of course you are right, but along with the IP address you must need to write this prefix length as well. Okay, so from now on you should be writing /29 or whatever be the value. Okay, so here up to here, previously when you didn't subnet you had 24 bits. Now you have /29, that means you have expanded or you have added 5 more bits to the network, so it has become /29. Okay, so every time when you write it /29/29/29, here also 224/29/29/29, you need to write it down. Clear, guys? Now one more thing, actually I forgot to tell you. So now we have subnetted, right? So what is the subnet mask for /24 value, guys? For /24, what is the subnet mask? 255.255.255.0. I didn't teach you this how to find the subnet mask for /24, but I told you what will be the default subnet mask or subnet mask of class C address. Getting it? For class C, say the network bits will be 24 bits and the subnet mask value will be 255.255.255.0. Okay, now say you have subnetted and the subnet mask will now change. Okay, so 29 bits are for network. That means, say if you want to write the subnet mask, how many bits will have ones here? 29 bits will have ones, and then the rest 3 bits will be made zeros. Everyone getting? Or do I need to repeat it again? One more time. So here, so you have already studied what is subnet mask. Subnet mask is a value with which you will differentiate the network portion and the host portion, or the network bit and the host bit. So if you have 24, or if it is /24, that means 24 bits are network and the rest 8 bits are for host. So if you want to write down the subnet mask value, 24 ones will be written and 8 zeros will be written. Now if it is /29, so here /29, here /29, 29, 29 are wrong. If you want to write down the subnet mask for each subnet, say how many network bits you got? 29 network bits. Okay, so here 29 network bits will be made once, or 29 bits will be made once, and say the rest 3 bits will be made zeros. Getting it? Now got it? Okay, so now let me just write it down, the values. Say 29 ones will be there, so let me write down. Okay, let me write down here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Now 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29. Now 30 31 32, 3 bits for the host also. Now when you calculate this value, all the 8 bits in the first octet has become 255. Okay, now here also it has become 255, here also it has become 255. Now if you find out this value, it will be 248. 248. Getting it, guys? Everyone? Okay, here 255. This one, you are having doubt in this one? Okay, so let me just tell you, if when all the 8 bits are becoming 1, you know it is 255. Now here you got 3 zeros, so you will decrease that value from the 255. So from 255 you are going to decrease here 1, 2 and 4. So 7 you will decrease. Okay, when you decrease 7, 255 minus 7 will give you 248. Or let me once more tell you, say most probably the subnet mask here, this value is gonna be the last network address. What is the last network address that I made you write? 248, the same thing. Okay, 248. Or you can go with this method also to find out the subnet mask. From 256 you can decrease 8 here. Clear? Any doubts?
One query here. That last subnet mask you came up with 256. I mean, how that came?
256, it's a constant value. Remember, 256 is a constant value, nothing else.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Okay, now guys, now if I give you a question, are you able to do it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone? I want results from everyone, guys. Okay, so now, so here, let me write down 193.88.159.250, and it is for how many subnets? Okay, let it be 6 machines per subnet. It's gonna be very easy for you. But I want you to do it on your own. Okay.
Without them for the first 4 and last 2.
Yeah, I want you to do the first. Yeah, 3 might be sufficient. First 3 and the last 3. That might be sufficient. That's gonna be very easy.
Done.
Done. What about others? Let everyone do it. So guys, what is the subnet the network address? 88.159.0. Okay, that itself will be the subnet address, the first one, the first subnet address. Okay, now let me just tell you. So here, what is the block size? 8 is the block size. You will keep on adding 8. So now this value here, so it will be this value 193.88.159.8 will be the next one. Okay, now the next one will be 193.88.159.16. okay, now it will keep on going, and the last one, of course, you know, the last one is 193.88.159.248. very good. And the second last one is 240, and the third last one is 232. okay, and so what will be this slash value, the prefix length? 20,
9.
the same place, right? So here the block size is 8, or we'll draw at the same place, in the sense, so here we have drawn between 8 and 4, we will be drawing between the same 8 and 4 here. Okay, because the requirement is just 6 machines, just increase one more machine, that's it. That's why I told it's very easy for you. Okay, just exactly like the previous question, only the network address is going to change, the network portion is going to change. Okay, so here say you're increased up to 5 more bits. Okay, if it is slash 20, sorry, if I should have given this slash 24. Okay, so if it is slash 24, I will increase 5 more bits here. So this time it has become, say, slash 29. Everywhere it's slash 29, and the respective broadcast 07 here dot 15 dot 30, if I'm not wrong, then it's 23. okay, and it's dot 239 247, and this 255. and what is the subnet mask here, guys, for subnets? Yes, 255.255.255.248. Clear? Getting it? I should see everything in your notebook. Okay? Yes. Now that I'm not checking your notebook, I suppose everyone is doing it. Okay. Now, the next question. So this question, I'm giving you a different question now. Okay. So 10.185.100.48/8. Now the requirement is 30 or 60 machines per subnet. Machines per subnet. Can you try to do it? But be careful. Be careful. If you have understood the logic, then you can do this. So guys, please let me know if I need to do it. If anyone feels it's very tough for you, or if at all anyone has no clue how to do it, let me know.
First three and last three.
Yes, first three and the last three might be sufficient. Here you will have lot of subnets. Lot of subnets. And don't make calculation mistakes, guys. Done. Are you sure that's right?
Think.
Let me tell you guys. Okay. Shall we? Or you want to do it? I'll tell you. Okay. Then you can check the answers. The first three, that is very easy. Okay. So what is the network address here? 10.0.0.0.0/8 is the network address. Of course, everyone might know this is the network address. Now what is the block size here?
64.
64 is the block size. So you'll keep on adding 64. So the first subnet will be 10.0.0.0 itself. Okay, I'll come to the prefix length a little bit later. Okay, now here the next one is 10.0.0.64, because we will be adding the 64 not in the second octet, not in the third octet, but in the fourth octet. Anyone who has made wrong in this one? Okay, now the next value here will be 10.0.0.128. Okay, then if you keep on adding, it will go like this. The next address will be 10.0.0.192, and again if you add 64 to 192, so 192 plus 64, what is the value that you will get? 256. So you can't write 256 there, right? So the next address here will be 10.0.1.0. Getting it? So here you cannot write 10.0.0.256. You can go up to 10.0.0.255, and the next address will be, so here you cannot write 256, so that one will be incremented in the third octet, so the address will be 10.0.1.0. Clear? Okay, now what will be the next address? 10.0.1.64, then 10.0.1.128, then 10.0.1.192, then 10.0.2.0, like that it keeps on going. Okay, now the last address here. Anyone who has found the last address? Yes, please.
10.255.255.192.
10.255.255.192. Okay, let me tell you how. Okay, here let me tell you, here you can listen, guys. Okay, it keeps on going. Okay, so let me write it down in this manner, then you will understand more better. So here the network address here, 10.000000000.0000000.0000000. Now when you write the values 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, your value 60 will be coming in between this 64 and 32. You're going to draw a line like this. So that means up to here you had the network portion. Okay, now you have expanded this up to here. So how many bits are reserved for the subnet? 18 bits are reserved for the subnet. Right, everyone getting there? Okay, no, let me tell you. So did you get how did I draw the line here? That you got it? Okay. So now let me tell you. So /8 means initially 8 bits were a network portion. Now you will be adding this much portion to the network. Got it? Okay. Or do you want me to explain one more time from the very beginning? Sure? Getting it right? Okay. Now, so up to here you have expanded the network portion. So that means how many bits you have expanded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That means 18 bits are added to the network portion now. That means 18 bits you have for subnets. You have 18 bits for the subnets. Got it? Okay. So if you have 18 bits, then the total number of subnets will be 2 raised to 18. Which will be around more than 65,000. Something like 1 lakh or 2 lakh or 4 lakh, something like that you will have. That much subnets will be there. Now that I don't want you to write everything, you will be writing the first 3 and the last 3. Okay, the first 3 you can write it like this. Say 0, 0, everything will be 0 here. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, dot. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, dot. 0, 0. Then the next value will be 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, while everything here will be zeros. Okay, now coming to the last portion, say the maximum value will be when all the 8 bits will become 1, that is the maximum value. So the maximum value here it will be 10 dot 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 dot 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 dot 1 1. Okay, now this value will be 1 0 0 1, and where everything here will be 1 1. So that is how you will get 10 dot 255 dot 255 dot. Here when you add these two values you will get 192. Okay, and that is how you got this value 10 dot 255 dot 255 dot 192. Everyone with me? Again, I'm repeating it each and every time so that say I don't want you guys to get confused. Okay, I hope that in case of anything you will ask me. Okay, now there. Okay, now so here the previous value will be 10 dot 255 dot 255 dot 128. You're just gonna decrease the block size, that's it. Okay, and this previous address here it would be 10 dot 255 dot 255 dot what will be the value? 64. Okay, and this would be 10 dot 255 dot 255 dot 0, and the just previous value will be 10 dot 255 dot 254 dot 192. Clear? Okay, and the respective broadcast addresses would be like this. You can find it out like this. Now let me just ask you, so if you expand this much bit, okay, you previously had 8 more bits, now that you added 18 more bits, so 8 plus 18, what is the value? 26. So for everything you will be writing slash 26 slash 26 slash 26 slash 26 like that. Clear? And when you find out the subnet mask, what is the subnet mask here? If it's slash 26 means 26 bits are reserved for network. Clear? So if 26 bits are reserved for network, 26 ones will be there and 6 zeros will be there. So 26 ones means say the first 3 octets will be completely ones, that will give you 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot. Okay, yes, and the last value here it is say 192. 2 more bits will become 1, so it will be 192. So that will be the subnet mask. Clear? Now, okay, shall I give you one more question? Okay, that one I'll not help, as you have noted, as everyone has noted yes, so I'll be just giving you where you will have to tell me the answers. Now 85 dot 21 dot 133 dot 144 slash 8. Now my requirement is 30 machines per network or 30 machines per subnet. Please do it, guys. Okay guys, so what is the first subnet? 85 dot 0.0.0 slash, is it,
20.
it's the first subnet that I asked, first subnet address. Network address of course it is /8. Okay, but what is this first subnet address? 27. Very good, it is /27 because 27 bits are reserved for, yes, the network portion. Okay, I mean, say how many bits you have been added. Say here I suppose 19 bits you added. 19 plus 8. Now what is the what is the block size? 32. So next you will add, keep on adding 32. So what will be the second subnet? 32/27. Now what will be the next one? 64. 85 dot, so you must write it, say 85.0.0.64/27, like that it keeps on going. Now what is the last one? 85 dot 224/27. Very good. And the second last is 85 dot 255 dot 255 dot 192/27. Again this is 85 dot 255 dot 255 dot 160/27. Everyone getting? Okay, yes. So this is how you do it. And of course, yeah,
Then how do you get that 27?
27 means simple. So here 85 dot 21 dot, sorry, the network address is 85.0.0. Okay, now 0.0.0.0.0.0.0. Now 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128. So that means between 32 and 16 you're going to draw the line. That means how many bits you are expanded? Say 8 bits, so 16, 17, 18, 19. So previously you had 8 bits, 8 plus 19 will give you 27. That's how you got 27. Clear? Now what is the subnet mask here?
224.
Yes, very good. 255.255.255.224. That means 27 bits you have it in the network portion. 27 ones will be there, and the rest will be zeros. 5 zeros will be there, and the rest 27 bits will be 1. Clear? Okay. So now, this is how now. So shall I give you homework then? Okay. So 58.158.250.250. Okay, /8 for 10 machines per subnet. Now 28.128.150.157 /16. So you have to be careful again. Now it is 100 machines per subnet. And one more, 5.5.5.5 slash, okay, 8. Now or 5.5.5. Try to do it. Okay, try to do it. Now it's not so tough, but I don't want. Okay, it'll make it complicated. Okay, now 8 itself you can just like revert it back to 8. Okay, it will make you complicated, that's why. So this time 4 machines per subnet. I suppose in the previous class somebody just asked the question. Okay, I suppose some online guy has asked a question, what if the machine is something like 4 or 8 or something. That time I told the answer as well. Okay, now guys, this is the homework. Now coming to, and do you have any more doubts? Okay, in that case let me tell you one more question now. We'll discuss one more type question, and the question is something like this. Okay, 111 dot 111 dot 111 dot 111 slash sheet. The requirement is 1000 machines per subnet. 1000 machines per subnet. Okay, we haven't done anything like this, right? Our maximum was something like 100 machines. That too just I've given it now only. Okay. Now here, what is the network address? Network address 111.0.0.0. So let me expand it. 0.0.0.0.0.0.0 dot 0.0.0.0.0.0.0 dot 0.0.0.0.0.0.0. Okay. Now, if I tell you the 1000 machines per subnet is the requirement, we'll be writing like this: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Right. Where will I draw the line, guys? I don't have the sufficient numbers. 128. Any idea? No. Of course. Let me tell you. Say, of course, any guesses are welcome. So here we'll be writing now. Remember, I'm only writing these values to draw that line. Okay, only writing these values to draw that line, and after drawing the line, these values will not be considered. The next value will be 256. Yes, 512. 1024. And if you want, you can write 2048 and whatever it is. And these values, again, let me tell you, these values are only considered to draw the line. So where will we draw the line? Between 512 and 1024. Done. Okay, now let me tell you. So here, now that we will not take this value, we know where we have drawn the line. Now these values will not be considered. Okay, now let me tell you here, this time 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. The block size is 4 now. The block size is 4, and where will it be added? Whether it's added in the 4th octet or in the 3rd octet? It will be added in the 3rd octet. So far we have been adding this value in the 4th octet. Now we will keep on adding the value in the 3rd octet. Let me tell you, the first network will be like this: 111 dot. Now 0.0.0. Now slash, what will be the value? Up to here we had the network, we are expanded.
22.
Yes, it will be, we are expanded, say 8 plus 6, 14 more bits. Okay, here 8 bits and here 6 more bits. So you already had 8 bits. So 8 plus 6, that will give you 16 plus 6, 22. So it will be slash 22. Clear? Now let me tell you. So this time, what will be the next value? 111.0.4 is the block size. We have drawn the line in the 3rd octet, so we will keep on adding the value in the 3rd octet. Getting it? So the next value will be, say, 4.0 slash 22, and the next value will be 111.0.8.0 slash 22. Now 111.0. say yes 10. Okay, sorry, 12. Okay, keep on adding this value, say 4. So this time it will be 12.0 slash 22. Clear? Now it will go like this till the final answer, which will be here. Everything will be 1 here. Everything will be 1. Or let me just tell you, the last one will be, say, 256 minus 4. 256 minus the block size, that is 4 here, and what will be the value? 252. So the last address will be 111 dot. So this will be 255. Okay, so the last one here, everything will be 1 here, so that will give you 255. Getting it? Okay, now yes. Okay, now 255 dot 252 dot 0 slash 22.
So why it doesn't become 250?
250?
255.
That will come here. Say this value, you are talking about this one, right? You'll understand it. Okay, then this will be 111 dot 255 dot 248 dot 0 slash 22, and this is 111 dot 255 dot 244.0/22. And now when you write the blocks, when you write the say broadcast, what is a broadcast? Any idea what is a broadcast? If you have understood it, then you would tell. 111.0.3.255. Let me tell you. Okay, so here it is 4.0 and the previous address would be 0.3.255. Getting it, everyone? Okay, yes, there. Okay, yeah. So now what will be the broadcast for this one? 111.0.7.255. And what is the broadcast of this one? 11.255. And here 15.255. The next one here is 16.0, so it will be 15.255 for the broadcast of this one. Okay, now what will be the broadcast of this one? 111.255. Nothing, simple. Say you will be just writing down, say these things will be common. Okay, now to find out, so just consider the next address and you can just go for the previous one, which is 111.255.247.255. Okay, need answers from everyone, guys, here. So it is 111.255.247.255. Okay, and here it is 111.255.251. Guys, not getting the answers. Okay, even though the COVID, those things are there. Okay, still I don't recommend, but still, okay, if you guys can say lower your mask, I can see your answers. Or else I know that you are answering, or else I really don't know whether you are answering or you are just mumbling, right? Okay, so now, so here what will be this one? It is 111.255.255.255. Got it? So say here if it becomes 255, then that will be the, say, the broadcast here, 255.255. And again, if you find out the assignable IP here for the last one, it will be 11.255.252.1 to 11.255.255.254. Getting it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so you can note it down and then say I'll give you one more question to do. Okay, please note it down, guys, faster. I'll scroll it down once you complete this. Okay.
Bharat, subnet mask will be 255.254.224.0.
Nope.
What is the subnet mask of this network?
Anyone? So once they are finished, okay, I want you guys to find out the subnet mask, guys.
255.255.254.
Nope. The guy who tells the answer will receive maybe a chocolate or something. Simple.
Class B subnet.
Not at all. No. So complete it, guys. Complete it, and then I'll let you know.
Is it 252? 255, 255, 252.0.
Yes. Now see, you yourself told the answer, right?
Yeah.
It's 255 dot 255 dot 252.0. Okay, that's it. So that chocolate has gone to whom?
So you're gonna parcel me in Canada?
Alright, can you scroll down to the bottom?
Yeah, sure. No issues. Guys, finished? Okay. Still, we are not yet done, guys. Okay. We still have a long way to go in subnetting. Even in subnetting. Okay. Yes. We have just finished the first portion of subnetting. I'll give you the homework related to these questions. This one also. So you can note down the subnet mask also. Here it is 255 dot 255 dot 252.0. Done, guys. Okay, so I need you to write down the assignable IPs also, maybe later. Okay, I suppose you know how to write it, right? No, so it is in between the network address and the broadcast address. Simple. So the first one, let me just tell you, it will be 111 dots. So let me just delete this one. Okay, so for the first one, the assignable IP would be like this: 1111 dot 0.0.1. Okay, which will be the very next IP, right after this one. 2, say 111 dot 0.3.254, which will be the which will be just the previous IP of this one. Okay, so like that. So let me ask you a question: how many assignable IPs are here in each subnet? How many assignable IPs are here, guys?
1022.
Hmm?
1022.
1022. Yes, it's not 255, guys. It is, the answer will be 1022, because say how many bits are assigned for the host? 1000. How many bits are assigned for the host?
10.
10 bits are assigned for the host. Exactly. So here, say this is the network portion and this is the subnet portion, and to the right side you have host portion. Okay, so how many host bits are there? 10 host bits are there. right? Say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If you have 10 bits, then 2 raised to 10 values you will have. That means 1024 values you will have, but you will have to decrease 2 network address and the broadcast address. So in each subnet you will have 1022 machines. Clear? Okay. Now let me give you one more homework. Okay, so this is say 55.65.75.85/8. 55.65.75.85/8. Now you need to subnet for 2000 machines per subnet. 2000 machines per subnet. Okay. So that's also a homework. Okay. Now, shall we go to the next level of subnetting? Next level means next type of subnetting. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the next type. Say this is subnetting based on number of subnets. Subnetting based on number of subnets. Okay. Now, yes. So let me tell you the difference between what you have done and what you are gonna study. Okay, so the previous was something like this. If you got a network like this, you are dividing it into multiple subnets, so that say you define something like this. If I say 10 machines per subnet, that means each subnet has got 10 machine, 10 machine, 10 machine, like that. Okay, now I'm telling you to subnet like this. Say I've given with a subnet and I need to divide it into 10 subnets. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and the last one, suppose 10. Okay, so I'm not concerned in each subnet how many machines are there. I'm not concerned with that. Clear? Okay, so now let me just tell you. So let me tell you, or let me give you a question, then you'll understand. Suppose that I'm giving a question 200.185.186.187/24. Okay, now I want to divide it into, suppose, 4 subnets. I want to divide it into 4 subnets. How to do it? Let me tell you. Okay, so here 200.185.186.0 is the network address, you know it. Now I'll expand the host portion like this, 000000000. Okay, now we were writing the numbers like this: 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128. That's okay, fine. But now let me just tell you again, only to draw the line I'll be writing the values from, say, left to right. I'm gonna write it in the reverse form, only to draw the line. Okay, after drawing the line, those values will not be considered. Okay, so now let me just tell you 1 2 4 8. So if I want, I can write 16 like that. I can write it. Now 4 subnets, that means I'll be drawing a line, say, between 2 and 4. Okay, I need 4 subnets, so I'll be drawing the line between this 2 and 4. So, or let me just tell you, let me make it 3 subnets, then you will not feel confused. Okay, so my 3 will be coming in between this 2 and 4, so I'll be drawing a line there. Done. Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? Okay, then done, guys. Then you know how to do it. What is the block size? Now the block size is not this 2. The block size is the previous value. So I told you this value, I have written it only to draw the line. After that, I will not consider this value. So not at all consider this value. So the block size, what will be the block size? 64 will be the block size. So just keep on adding 64. So now the address here, just give me a minute. Yes, the address will be like this. The first will be 200 dot 185 dot, yes, 186.0. The network address itself will be the first subnet. Slash, how many bits you have added more to a subnet? 2 more bits you added. So 24 will become now 26.
26.
Yes. Now the next one will be 200 dot 185 dot 186 dot 64 slash 26. Now 200 dot 185 dot 186 dot 128 slash 26. Now 200 dot 185 dot 186 dot 192 slash 26. Done. Simple or not? Right. So the only difference is that you will be, to draw the line, you will be considering it from the left to right. Clear? That's the only difference, nothing else. Ritik? Okay. So now, so you can note it down. And of course, I know, you know how to write the broadcast and the assignable, right? And the subnet mask also. What will be the subnet mask?
255, 255, 255, 192.
Yes, 255.255.255.192. Okay, just we don't consider this value. We have just considered that to draw the line. Apart from that, everything is same. Got it? Everyone? Okay, yes. Please guys, make it faster. Then we'll give you next question. Now, one more thing guys. Here we got 3 subnets. Okay, the requirement is to divide it into 3. But we can't exactly divide it into 3. We'll be having 4. Extra 1 subnet, that is fine. We can, maybe we can use it for the future purpose. Okay. So now guys, now let me give you a question here. So the next question, 192.168.208.208/24. Now you need to divide it into 30 subnets. I want you to find out the first 3 and the last 3 subnets. Okay. We'll wait for others also. Done. Last. Done. So guys, shall we discuss? Can make it silent. So shall we discuss? Okay. So now, what is the answer? So here, what is the first subnet? 192.168.208.0/.
29.
Very good. What is the block size? 8.
8.
So what will be the next one? Yes, 192.168.208.8/29. Then 192.168.208.16/29. Like that, it keeps on going. And what is the last one? 240. 192.168.208.248/29. And 192.168.208.240/29. And 192.168.208.232/29. Okay. Of course, I'm not writing the broadcast, so go home and write the broadcast address and the assignable IP address for all the questions. Okay. Now, what is the subnet mask? 255.255.255.240.
48.
Very good. Okay. Now guys, now let me give you one more question. Okay. Now, You'll feel it as a little bit tough, but it is easy. Say it is really easy for you. You'll feel it as tough, but if you have understood what I've taught, then you will be able to do it. Okay. Now 10 dot 150 dot 182 dot 163 slash 8. 4 subnets. Just 4 subnets. Can you write down? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, please do it. Sorry to interrupt you guys, but still, okay, let me just tell you how to do it. Okay, so what is the network address here? The network address for the bigger network,
10.0.0.0.0.0
slash 8. Okay, so if I write it down, it is 10 dot 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 dot 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 dot 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. Now up to here you had the network portion, that you know it, right? So I'd be writing the values like this: 1 2 4 8. Okay, I would not be writing the values from here 1 2 4 8 because it is slash 8. That's what I told. Okay, so how many of you did like this? 1 2 3. Okay, if you do like this, how many subnets you will have? Say here you will be drawing the line over here, I suppose, right? How many subnets you will have here?
4.
Only 4.
No.
You will expand this much, am I right? So how many? 18 bits. 2 raised to 18 subnets you will have. Okay, so you should be drawing not in the 4th octet but in the 2nd octet. Got it? Okay, so you will draw say between 2 and 4. Okay, not between 4 and 8. If you draw between 4 and 8, then 2 cube or 8 subnets will be there. If you draw between just 4 and 2, 2 square or 2 raised to 2, only exactly 4 subnets you will have. You will not have to decrement. You don't have to decrement 2 here because you are not looking onto the number of hosts. When you are looking onto a number of hosts, you will have to decrease 2 because you have to exclude the network address and the broadcast address. So you do not have something like that. So here you can just go with, say, you can draw the line between 2 and 4. Got it, guys? Okay, so when you go with, say, this one, say here, now let me tell you the block size will be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 will be the block size. When 64 is the block size, so the first address here will be 10.0.0.0/10. Very good. Okay, now this is the next address is 10.64.0.0/10. Then the next one is 10.128.0.0/10, and this is 10.192.0.0/10. So you got exactly 4 subnets. And say when you write the broadcast for this one, it will be 10.63.255.255, and this is 10.127.255.255, and this is 10.191.255.255, and here it is 10.255.255.255. Clear? And the assignable IP address here will be 10.0.0.1 to 10.63.255.254, and here it is 10.64.0.1 to 10.127.254.
Hello, sir.
Yes, guys, any doubts?
It's 10.0.0.1 to 10.62.255.255, I think.
No, it's 63. So what will be the next? I mean, just the previous address, it is 10.63.255.254, because say, let me ask you.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Got it, sir.
Clear, guys, everyone? Okay, I hope you can do the broadcast of the last 2 as well, right? Okay, so this is how you will do it. Any doubts? Okay, in that case, let me give you a homework question. I know it's a lot of homework, but if you do those homework, then trust me, guys, you don't have to go for many things. It will be easy for you. Okay, so the next question is only one question. Okay, I mean, from this type, only one question. So 23.24.25.226/16, 23.24.25.226/16. I need 6 subnets. Okay, so this is the thing. Anybody has any doubt? So now I forgot to discuss one thing. So what is the subnet mask of this one? This one? This one?
255.192.0.0.
Okay, got it, guys. So how many bits are assigned for the network? 10 bits. 10 ones will be there. So the value will be 255.192.0.0. Okay, 10 bits will be made 1, and the rest will be made, the 22 bits will be made 0. So this will be the subnet mask. Okay, so anybody has got any doubts in any questions that we have discussed? Got it? Okay. So this is how you will do it. Okay, so then no worries, guys. So we'll be winding up the class now, but still no worries regarding the classes. From tomorrow on, we'll be starting at exactly at 8. Okay, yes. So just give me a moment, even the online guys also, just let me take the screenshot.
Tomorrow onwards, what we'll be doing?
Tomorrow, and we haven't completed the subnetting, guys. we'll be like completing the subnetting in upcoming 2 days. Okay, say I'll be like taking the subnetting class for almost 4 days, so it's not complete yet.
Okay. So after that, we will start the
Devices. Okay, yes, we'll get into the devices, and afterwards, let's say like just give me 1 day, then we'll be going into the routing. Okay,
First we'll do the routing.
yeah, first you will do the routing, then you will go for the switching.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yes. Any other doubts or any other concerns? Okay, if nothing is there, then we'll wind up the class for today. Okay, so thank you guys. Yes.